Lot number 3108B is in boy. Here we have ourselves a John Deere 317 lawn and garden tractor. It has a B43G engine in it. Serial number of the tractor 164174M. We're going to do an engine compression test. The engine does run. There's no fuel in the tank, but we poured gas down the throat and she fires right up. We're going to start with the oil filter side first. It's got 95 pounds of compression on the oil filter side. This engine is available for sale. Call Mardo's Motorsports 218-844-4968. Alright, we're going to do the opposite side. "90 pounds of compression on the opposite side. We are tearing this machine down into parts. If you want to buy parts off this John Deere 317, give us a call. We also have another John Deere 317 over here we're going to be tearing down also. This has got a Kohler engine in it, but the engine knocks a little bit. So anyways, the lot number on this one is 3108A. Thanks for stopping by.